At UQ, what we've done is set up an initiative whereby we got together a consortium of key players, Boeing, Virgin Airlines, Mackay Sugar, an energy company called IOR, James Cook University and ourselves UQ to form this Sustainable Aviation Fuel Initiative. And the aim of this is to look at the technical and economic challenges of making aviation fuel using renewable substrates that we can grow in Queensland. And the three routes we've looked at are going from algae, you grow algae, you get oil from them, you convert that to a jet fuel. Pongamia, which is a non-edible plant which produces an oil that we could convert, or take Australian sugar, sucrose, grown by sugarcane, millions of tonnes in Queensland, and convert that through to jet fuel. Recently at AIBN we organised a one-day workshop which coincided with Chris Tyndall visiting Australia. We took the opportunity of Chris being here to get together the consortium partners in this program, representatives of the Australian Navy, a number of other interested parties, to start exploring the feasibility of taking this research program through to actual demonstration production of aviation fuel.
The U.S. Navy currently produces or consumes a lot of oil. Right now, 75% of our energy actually is going towards our operational forces, our ships and our planes and our forward operating bases within the Marine Corps. So it's it's certainly an imperative that we need to work on doing something besides just normal fossil fuel.
One of our key partners in the Sustainable Aviation Fuel Initiative is Mackay Sugar. Mackay is a very large miller with mills around the Mackay region. They currently crush about 7 million tonnes of cane, and they are interested in the option of making alternate products with their sucrose, in addition to currently producing, in effect, table sugar and some molasses. So we went to Mackay and were very graciously received by the chairman of Mackay Sugar and their chief technology officer, who went through some of their longer term plans for Chris Tyndall. And then we looked at what they had and how it might be modified to build a demonstration plant in the future if the economics and the feasibility studies all stack up and say this is something we could do in Australia. So we're excited by the opportunities and looking forward to sort of further expansion, and the visit by Chris Tyndall, the involvement of the Australian Navy, all very much helps to motivate and stimulate expansion and development in this area in Australia.